Good morning, good morning. We're waiting for our Grab. Hintay na lang ng Grab. Hi guys, so we're now here at the pickup point para sa aming trip today. So dito siya sa, what is this, Grand Tal Mall at MacPherson here in Singapore. So actually 7:24 pa yung flight. Flight ang supposed to be alis ng bus, but they advise us to be here 30 minutes before. Anyway guys, okay, sige. Reveal na natin kung saan tayo pupunta. So, we're going to Kuala Lumpur. So, we're doing this vlog just to give an idea dun sa mga namamasyal dito sa Singapore and thinking of other place to go. Though, I think it's normally ginagawa ng mga tourists from Singapore na nagsa-side trip papuntang Singapore. Papuntang Kuala Lumpur. So now, biglaan, kasi nga, we've been here in Singapore for so many years na. And the normal thing pag New Year is, the biggest celebration is dun sa Marina Bay Sands para manood ng fireworks. But this year, we instantly decided na sa Kuala Lumpur mag-spend ng New Year o salubungin yung New Year just for a change, and hopefully it will be nice. So yun nga, so for those planning to go to KL from here in Singapore, so there are two ways. It's either by plane, which is a bit quick, mga wala pang 1 hour nandun kayo, but malaking gastos din. So doon sa mga medyo nagtitipid-tipid, so pwede naman through bus, but it just take around more or less 5 to 6 hours, but it's okay. So anyway, it's just a straight ride. It's a long ride, it's a long trip, but you better choose yung komportableng a bus like what we've chosen now. Meron kasi mga normal bus, kabay cheap, around $20 to $30 to $45. But this one, what we took is medyo mura lang siya and medyo classy. It's just 45 Singapore dollars. So we chose, or yun ang kinuha naming option kasi para nga mas komportable. And according to reviews, okay naman siya. It's a consortium bus. You may check online. You may book on, I think, bus online or easybooking.com, something like that. So search nyo na, Google nyo lang, marami naman kayong makikita. So guys, lalabas lang namin ang Malaysian immigration. So dito na kami sa susunod na bus papunta lang KL. So this trip may be around 5 more or less hours. So kaya yung binook naming ticket o binook naming bus is something like this. So this is how the bus looks. May sariling TV. Ito yung mga features ng seats. So ito yung sa foot. Yan. I mean pagtaas-taas nito. Then ito yung pag-recline. Then may massager siya. See? Can you see? May massager. Ayan. So off. Wow, sarap sa likod. Then I don't know what is this, and I don't know. Maybe this one is ilaw. By the way guys, it's already 9:30. So tingnan natin kung ilang oras ang biyahe. Paalis na kami ngayon ng Malaysia immigration. So yun nga, maybe 5 hours more or less. Okay guys, so kababa lang namin ng bus. So dito kami ngayon sa TBS. I think they call it as bus terminal. I don't know what TBS means. By right, dapat sa Berjaya Times Square kami bababa. Pero sabi ng bus driver, dito na daw lahat tinitigil ang mga bus. Parang bagong policy yata ng gobyerno. Anyway, so no choice. We need to take Grab na lang papunta sa hotel. Wow, hotel. But I'm so hungry. I think may pagkain naman siguro dito. Kain man tayo rito. Yeah, because I'm so hungry. So umalis kami ng Singapore around 6:30. Oh, pwede yan. Then narating ng Singapore immigration. Umalis ang bus alas 8 from Singapore. Then nakarating ng immigration around 8:45. Then tumawid lang ng link immigration na ng Malaysia. Then nakalis kami ng Malaysia around 9. Then ngayon is around 2. So haba, gutom na. Okay guys, so again, ito yung ibig sabihin ng there, terminal Bilibis Blam. Okay? Terminal Bilibis Blam. I don't know what is that. Alright guys, so we've arrived at our hotel, which is this one, Hotel C. Hotel C. Okay. So let's check in counter. So ito na yung room namin. We'll show you. So room 405. Alright. So room tour, lights. Alright. So it's quite cozy naman. Medyo maliit. Of course, it's a budget room kasi we'll just be staying here just to sleep because most of the time we'll be out. So may toilet. So simple toilet. May ganyan, may ganito. May heater naman. Yeah, like that. May salamin, may hair dryer. So the normal thing. So that's it. So maya we'll be out, walk around KL, see the glimpse again of Petronas Towers, and maybe on what do you call that? KLCC Park, I guess. The KLCC Park. I think doon gaganapin yung countdown. So we'll take a look at that. Alright guys. So, we're walking down this street. I don't know kung anong street ito. Dito sa KL, may mga... nadaan namin yung Chowkit Market. So, by the way, we're heading down to KLCC Park, which is katabi nun yung Petronas Tower. Actually, tanaw na dito yung Petronas Tower. You can see there. Ay, natakpan ng puno. There. There. At the background, it's there, the Petronas Tower. So we'll be going there. Sa likod noon yung KLCC Park. Kailangan may makukuha ng spot para sa countdown mamaya. Yan, may mga wow! Mangga, rambutan, fruit stalls. Delicious. Yan, may mga rambutan. Ito? I don't know. Kembing? Kambag? Kembag? I don't know. Durian stalls. Ayan, dami oh. Dami mga durian. Sa ugoy ng durian. There, look. The Petronas Towers. There, at the background. There. Petronas Towers. Nais kong mahugis ang dati kong araw ng binti kong ala sa ugoy ng durian. Daming durian eh. Hello guys, merong magandang architecture. Ganda oh. Ano siya? Parang grand entrance. This Kampong Baru street yata. Yeah, it's a street market.
Wait, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. Ang ganda ng ano, bicycle rack. There. Oh, yun oh, may kainan. Ihaw.
Masuk ka, ikaw ata ada.
Ah, para sa otak siguro. Ayun oh, restaurant. They have fresh foods. Fresh fish. Oh, pomfret. Laki na no? Wanjo, Kampong Baru. Nasa lima.
Kaso cash only lang.
Ayun na. Halika, tingnan natin. All nasa lima.
May beef.
Ano yung beef? Ano yung beef? In...
Daging ba yan? Nang hula.
Daging, oh. Daging rendang, beef rendang.
Oh.
Yeah, dua. Alright guys, biglang umulan, buti na lang, nakasilong na kami. We just take our early dinner. So for dinner, it's a local food delights here. So what I'm having is it's a nasi lemak with beef rendang, then boiled egg with, what is this? Pipino, chili, sambal chili, tsaka dilis and dilis. So, for Gracia ay same except chicken yung kayo. Then, Milo ice and Milo panas. Malaysia, panas. Panas means hot. I'm hot. Okay, let's eat first.
Sarap.
Yeah,
Mas masarap kasi sa
Sarap.
kanila, no?
authentic nasi lemak. Sarap. Lalo na rendang. You would say, ow. Sarap.
Sarap.
Buti na lang, kumain muna kami. Nalakas ng ulan. Maybe this restaurant famous dito. At ang laki. Wanjo restaurant, right? Wanjo nasi lemak. Okay guys, we're done with our dinner. Napakasarap. Authentic Malaysian food. Sarap. You should try that. Wanjo restaurant here in Kampong Baru, Kuala Lumpur. It's nice. Must try, man. So, we're heading back to our track. We're going to, yun nga, KLCC. At mabuti na lang, tumuloy lang ang ulan. Kung hindi, mahirap. paano tayo manonood ng fireworks or countdown, Malaysian countdown for the New Year 2026. Anyway, so tumila ng ulan. Though, according to the weather forecast, na uulan uli mamaya. So, hopefully, hindi nga. Maganda naman ang, medyo nagdidilim. As you can see the sky, medyo nagdidilim na ang sky. So, wish us luck. Oops, it's Salah. Oras ng pagdarasal. Allahu Akbar. If you can hear that, those oras na ng dasal ng mga Muslim. Napaka-disiplinado nila. Talagang pag oras ng dasal, nagdadasal sila. Yun ang isa sa mga one of the good traits ng mga, or one of the best traits ng mga Muslim. Talagang pag oras ng dasal, nagdadasal. As well as pag Ramadan, talagang Ramadan. Ganda ng Kuala Lumpur. Doon may mga part na parang Pilipinas din, like mga ganyan, kampong-kampong. Diba? Parang ganyan yung Pilipinas. May parang sari-sari store, may ganyan. So, meron pa rin content traits ng parang Pilipinas. Anyway, ang Pilipinas naman ay lahing Malay, di ba? O Malay, ganyan. Kaya nga, di ba? Malay Peninsula ang Pilipinas. O Malay Peninsula. So, I don't know why, bakit may ganito? Para sa mga wheelchair. Ito, I'm not sure. Dito, para sa pero may wheelchair eh. There's something for wheelchair. This one.
Okay.
Or maybe, kasi since ramp siya, baka ito yung kakapitan ng disabled person para hilahin yung sarili niya. Like see, pataas siya eh. So yung wheelchair, kakapit dito, then hihilahin yung sarili niya. Ang galing. Naisip nila yun Naisip nila yun. Same here. Kaso natumba na. Galing, no? Yun yung mga small things na nabibigyang pansin pa nila para lang sa mga design na din. So guys, welcome to Kuala Lumpur. The Petronas Twin Tower of Kuala Lumpur. One of the tallest twin tower in the world. So actually, tinalo na siya ng Burj Khalifa kung tataasan ng building. But ito yung only twin tower na pinakamataas. But kung building ang pag-uusapan, panalo na yung Burj Khalifa. Pinalo na to. Yan. And there it is. The Petronas Twin Tower. So maganda sana siya kung white yung ilaw. Kaya lang, naka-prepared na siya for the countdown. We'll show you mamaya kasi magagawin yatang backdrop yan nung mismong countdown. So, ayan siya.
The countdown begins. KLCC The Place. Bersedialah kita semua untuk menyambut 2026. Together, we usher in the new year 2026 as the pride of Malaysia, the Petronas Twin Towers
beautiful, beautiful showcase of lights on our Petronas Twin Towers. Look at that, amazing, and we are witnessing it firsthand, up close and personal, right here at KLCC The Place.
Hanya tinggal kurang seminit lagi untuk kita menyambut 2026. Bersiap siaga Malaysia. Get ready, KLCC The Place.
Less than a minute from now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be doing the countdown together. Okay, we're going to watch these fireworks take place. Again, please make sure your phones are ready to capture this beautiful moment.
Kita bersedia dengan countdown kita sedikit masa lagi. Malaysia, get ready.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. gentlemen. Oh my God! Did you guys love that?
Selamat Tahun Baru Malaysia. Happy New Year, KLCC.
What a show, ladies and gentlemen. That was one hell of a show. Oh my God, that was so close to me. It was a bit nerve-wracking, but
Yes.
kalau orang Cina tu dia memang untuk menghalau yang tak baik.
Oh, menghalau hantu, menghalau hantu.
Itulah sebabnya kita bakar fireworks, alright?
Kami dengan bunga api kita menyambut kedatangan 2026. Dan terima kasih Daphne I King, rakan karib saya. Kita kongsi detik yang istimewa ini dalam kita menyambut 2026. Terima kasih.
And thank you so much, Nazruddin. It's been always fun hosting with you guys. And of course, we've got the wonderful crowd who came here all the way from 5 p.m. onwards. Hujan, kering, masih dekat sini. Alhamdulillah, you guys are fantastic.
Fantastic, terima kasih tepukan untuk anda rakyat Malaysia. Yes, dan juga kita ucapkan terima kasih kepada KLCC Holdings. Setiap tahun kita berkumpul di sini.
Okay guys, so we will try street food in KL. It's the burger there. So what we order is ayam crispy and burger beef. Beef yung sayo, di ba? With fries. So here they're preparing. There? Daging, burger daging. Nice. Burger ayam with matching coleslaw. Nice. This is first food for 2026. Nice. Yummy.